Welcome to Mhetre German Academy. What will I get if I learn German as a student or professional? Today we are going to answer this very question. We are going to tell you the importance of and the reasons for why do you need to learn the German language. Get high quality education for free from world class universities with a scholarship. Yes, get high quality education for free. Germany introduced free education for not only its students but for those ambitious people who are coming from outside of Germany. You can get free education with zero tuition fees, and even to fund your studies you can earn a scholarship. Along with that, having German as a skill, you can work part-time jobs in Germany as well. Therefore, along with earning, you can also do learning if you have the German language as a skill in Germany. Communicate effectively and expand your business relations by speaking the mother tongue or main language of over 130 million people. German is the official language of not just one but 6 famous European countries: Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, and Belgium. Along with that, Germany is ranked the number 1 economy of Europe and is the 4th largest economy in the world. Become a globally successful professional. Boost your career with the German language by working for multinational companies such as Mercedes-Benz, Rolls-Royce, Adidas, Volkswagen, Porsche, Audi, Siemens, Bosch, and for finance and people from commerce background. You can also work in the Deutsche Bank. Even non-German but world famous companies also require people who can communicate fluently with their clients in the German language. Companies such as Amazon, Vodafone, Accenture, Oracle are constantly hiring German language experts and specialists to work and expand their businesses. If you are not suited for the 9 to 5 job, work when you want to. With the German language, you can work as a freelancer. That is, work when you want to, where you want to, how much you want to, and decide your own timing and charges. Yes, with the German language, you can work as a translator, as an interpreter, as a teacher or trainer for many international schools, for many colleges, as well as institutions. The German language also means a new world of knowledge and discoveries. The Germans are world leaders in engineering. Along with that, 78% of the books which are published worldwide are printed in German. Johannes Gutenberg, the inventor of the printer, was born in Germany. German is the language of Einstein, is the language of the great psychologist Sigmund Freud, and also the language of the great musician Mozart. Along with that, the German language gives you the opportunity to work in travel, tourism, and many more fields, including the healthcare sector as well. With the German language, you can explore another side of the internet. Many websites are published in the German language. But what do you need to explore and unlock these opportunities? There are 6 levels or standards of measuring a person's language skills as defined by the CEFR. the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. In that, the B2 level can be the unlocking key for that big position or high promotion. Learning the German language as soon as possible can have better chances of your career growth. A person who knows German is given more preference than the one who speaks only in the English language. In fact, the person who goes with a B2 level certificate of the German language has gotten a pay raise of almost 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh in many of the companies. Along with that, it's very easy to learn the German language because many of the words in the English language are similar to the German language. For example, hello in the English language becomes hallo in German, friend becomes Freund, and chocolate becomes Schokolade. These are known as cognates. People who are bilingual or who know more than one language have an advantage learning the German language. Countries such as India, where people speak more than one language, can easily grasp and learn the German language much more quickly. So now you have to make a decision. Do you want to unlock your professional possibilities and learn German, the language of opportunities? You have to make a decision to change your life, your world, upgrade as a successful professional and build a flourishing career. You have to make the decision and take the right action. Mhetre German Academy.